Okay, I'm going to do number 2 with you. This one's a little harder on many levels. You still take your divisor, which is right there, set it equal to 0, and I'd get x equals -2. Now, what makes this one hard is you'll notice there's an x to the 4th right here, but they don't have an x to the 3rd. Right here, they're missing the x to the 3rd. If something is missing exponent-wise, you have to add a 0. So when I go to write my coefficients, I'm going to have an 8, the 0, the -28.5, the -9, and then the 10. So if exponents are missing, you have to add a 0. You have to, or the problem will not work. All right, so that's one weird thing on this one. So go ahead and draw your lines. Draw your half box. You're still going to put this -2 in here. You're going to bring down the first one. Then you're going to multiply like we've been doing. -2 times 8 is a -16. Then you're going to add and get 0 plus -16 is a -16. Then you're going to multiply -2 and -16 and get 32. Then you're going to add -28.5 and 32 is 3.5. Then you're going to multiply -2 and 3.5 is a -7. Then you're going to add -9 plus a -7 is a -16. Then you're going to multiply -2 and -16 is a positive 32. And then you're going to add and get 42. Now this section, they want you to write your answer just a little different. I need to erase this right here. All right, so what they want you to do is they want you to write P of X. Then they want you to write right here, this first part, I meant to use this very first part right here. That is your divisor. Your divisor. So my divisor of the problem was this x plus 2. Then they want you to write your quotient. Why do I keep doing that? The quotient, okay? Now, we don't have our variables in our quotients. We need to do that. Remember, this one started with an x to the 4th. So when you start with an x to the 4th, and you need to go down 1, you're going to start with x to the 3rd. So I'm going to have an x to the 3rd. This is going to be my x squared. This is my plain x, and that's my plain number. Don't forget, if they don't have signs, add them. There's a negative there. This needs a plus. That has a negative. So then write your divisor, which is an 8x to the 3rd minus 16x squared plus 3.5x minus 16. Then they want you to do plus, and then what they have right here, that P of A, I'm running out of room. That P of A right there is your remainder. So I'm going to do plus, and remember this is your remainder, 42. So that's the weird thing about this section, but the rest of this homework you can do.